Then comes a turning point. 1978? China doesn't abandon its system, but it changes how it works. Under Deng Xiaoping, China opens up to the world. Markets expand, trade grows, and suddenly, China isn't just surviving, it's rising. This is where the story shifts from revolution to transformation, from ideology to results. And if you look closely, this is the moment that connects the past to the China you see today. So let me walk through history.